morning children, welcome to your physics class. Last class we discussed two terms. What is distance traveled, next displacement and its difference. Today we have a problem based on displacement or magnitude of distance displacement that we call distance traveled. Here we have in your textbook first problem only they mentioned topic after you can see a problem. A farm moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of displacement of farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds from the initial position? This is a question we have. This question, when you observe, when you read the question, you are asked to find the magnitude of displacement, then shape of the field is square field, then it is written the one side 10 meter, then all sides are equal only in a square field only, all sides are equal. Then 40 seconds takes to cover one round along the boundary. Then you can see that time is 2 minutes 20 seconds. 2 minutes 20 seconds means how many seconds it will be? 2 minutes means 120. 120 plus 20, 140 seconds after asked to find it. You know, 40 seconds it will cover one round. Next 40 seconds it will cover one more round. Means now total 80 seconds. After next 40 seconds it will cover one more round. After third round it will be again at A. That we can understand with the figure, with the help of figure. So I am going to first you have to draw the figure. Square field only. Then A, B, C, D are the coordinates of the field. One side 10 meter, then here also 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter. All sides are equal. This is a movement direction. You know, 120 second after it will reach at A. Then again uniform motion only. So again 20 seconds remaining. So after 2 minutes 20 seconds, that is after 140 seconds, it will be object at A. After 140 seconds, object is at C, because after 2 minutes means 120 it will be at A. Again 20 seconds are there. This 20 seconds it can cover at C only. Means total 40 seconds it will take to reach at A. But 20 seconds means it will reach at C. So AC is the displacement. This is an important factor here you have to understand. Total time given is 2 minutes 20 seconds. After 2 minutes it will be at A. Every 40 seconds it will cover one round. So 40, 80, 120. After 120 at A. Again 20 seconds only. So can reach at C. So AC is the shortest distance from A to C. This distance, how will you find out AC? We can use Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, because it is a right angle triangle shape only. So AC question mark, we need to find AC magnitude. AC we need to find. AC is a good answer. Then AC, how will you find out? AC equal to root of AB square plus BC square. Dear children, after 120 seconds, object will be at A, remaining 20 seconds only. So it can reach at C only. So AC is the displacement. To find AC, we are using Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Then AC what will be? Root of AB square plus BC square equal to root of AB. What is length of AB? 10 meter. So 10 meter square plus 10 meter square. We have a root of 10 square. What will be? 100. 100 plus 100, 200. We have root of 200 equal to root 2 into 100. We can write like that. 200 we can split into root 2 into 100. That means root 2 into root 100. What is root 100? 10. Then we have, then root 2, what is root 2? Root 2 is 1.414. Root 100 is 10. That when we multiply root 2 value 1.414 into 10, we will get a 40.14 meter. This is answer. We have 14.14 meter. This is answer for getting this shortest distance from initial to final position. Next, here we asked to find the magnitude of displacement like that. I repeat one more step. AC is a required answer. Why? Because here it is mentioned 2 minutes 20 seconds. Means after 2 minutes it will reach at A. Again 20 seconds only. So it can reach at C only. Because for period only equal distance in equal interval of time it will be covering. So AC is root of AB square plus BC square, root of 10 meter square plus 10 meter square, then root 200, root 2 into root 10. You will get a 40.14 meter. This problem only today I am teaching. Then additionally one more time I am going to explain. Dear children, in all the vehicles, there is a device fitted to find distance travelled. That is odometer. Odometer is a device which shows distance travelled. Distance travelled. This is an important question. What does odometer shows? Every device, any vehicles, when we observe there is a meter, we can see there is speedometer and odometer. Speedometer shows speed. Similarly, odometer shows distance travelled. This odometer shows the distance travelled. According to that, they are collecting money, vehicles. We have importance of odometer in your textbook mentioned as a question. What does odometer shows? Odometer shows distance travelled. So today's class, wind up this problem plus this one question additionally. Thank you children.